Traitor. Just kidding. So update, this Sunday's hike. My alarm failed, slept in an extra hour, but we're still out here finally, like an hour and a half later. Jeremy's got the Osmo. We'll see who has better hyper smooth footage. Sweet, so let's do this. We're gonna do Bird Ridge. So we got bear spray for the bears. And I thought I'd tell you something cool about this vest, but that's about it. It's got bear spray, stuff like that. Speaking of bears, this answers the age-old question, does a bear in the woods? Speaking of bears, if you look directly behind Jeremy, so just in case, I'm gonna practice. No bears. Here. Okay. If you look just behind Jeremy, about a foot of... Probably get sweet views of just clouds at the top, but I see blue sky peeking through, so maybe it was more beneficial for me to sleep in. Another slow-mo through the flowers. Ooh, hyper smooth. I feel it in my finger. I feel it in my legs mostly. I can feel the pump. Jeremy, do you feel the pump? Huh? Do you feel the pump? Oh. Don't skip leg day. I've been skipping leg day for at least the past 4 to 5 years. Slow motion right now. Hey, these pine cones are red. Pretty neat. Jeremy's DIY tripod. It's pretty dope. DJI Osmo in the field. Setting up for the Sound of Music shot there. The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung. Look at that view. It's sick. Oh. This is why we come up here. Yeah, I mean, you do this crazy trek and you just like, man, look at that. Look at those trees over there. There's a view over there. There's not a view that way. But over here, you can see stuff. There, wait, just clouds. So, which way am I supposed to look? Where I'm pointing, there is a view. But that direction, I don't see anything. No view. You won't be able to see anything over there, but over here, you see stuff. There is water, trees, and over here, nothing. Just these bushes I don't see full of bears. Found some snow.
Do you want to build a snowman?
No. No, I don't. Keep hiking. Frozen. So we just let these people pass us. We'll let them flush out the bears so that they can be the bait. Cleared up enough. This view, not bad. Or something. Woo! I think my carbohydrate stores have been depleted. The glycolysis cycle has used up all my glycogen. Now I'm just burning stores of fat and carbohydrates, which is what I need. But I think I'm gonna need a delicious fig bar soon to replenish the nutrients.
I've seen a good line of cocaine.
Okay. I'll stick to the fig bar. I gotta replace my nutrients. Delicious fig bar. Unfortunately, we have lots of cloud cover. Too bad that way. So for that time lapse, I had that sitting right here. I have the mouth mount, so I did not want to put that on the bird poop. And then let me just show you where I was sitting to sit still for that. Sitting right around in here. This is not comfortable, and I'm pretty sure that was you know, and I just sat there and talked about really feeling the moment, you know, just feeling it. We made it to the top. I'll just fly the drone. We'll see what happens. My battery pretty much died. Sucks, but thanks for watching, guys. Sun came out down here at least. Look, well, sun. We're gonna do a run by. Maybe Jeremy will give me some of his footage, but it won't be GoPro, so. Okay. Trail time dad joke. Jeremy, why was the, well, what do you call an explorer?
That's a good joke.
Cut.
No cuts.
Trailside dad joke. Jeremy, what do you call an explosive horse? Napalm.
It's a good thing I don't have kids and I'm not a dad.
It's okay.